Welcome to Divine Arts of Food. In this video, I'll share the recipe of mushroom pepper fry in the style of Chettinad. For that, take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and allow it to heat well. Once the oil is heated well, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and then add 1 strand of curry leaves. Now add 1 dry red chilli, add half a teaspoon of asafoetida. This will give you a nice aroma. Add 1 chopped green chilies and sort these all well. After that, add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 chopped onion. I have used medium size onion. For making dry spice for this gravy, I have taken a mixer jar. Into that add 3/4 tablespoon of peppercorns and then add half a tablespoon of fennel seeds and finally add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now grind these all spices well. Don't add water, it must be a dry spice, and now our spice is ready. Now our onion has also changed its color to golden brown. Now add all the grinded spices into your onion and sort this also well. Once our spices has cooked well, add 100 grams of chopped mushrooms. I have used white button mushroom. You can use any mushroom of your choice. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Don't add too much chili powder because we have already added dry red chili and green chili. After that, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and sort these all spices well. Now add salt according to your taste. Now close and cook this for 5 minutes in medium flame. After that, since my gravy is too dry, I have added 20 ml of water to make it somewhat thick gravy like consistency. Now allow it to boil in high flame. Once it has boiled, close and cook for 8 minutes in medium flame. Now our mushroom pepper fry is almost ready and it is ready to get served. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Yummy Chettinad style mushroom pepper fry is ready. Look at the color, and this color is due to the pepper that we have added, and it tastes really yummy and it is mouth watering. You must try this recipe at your home. You can serve with rice and chapati and enjoy this recipe with your family. I'll come up with more such exciting recipes in my next video. Until then, bye from Divine Arts of Food.